back to 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 back, I think, videos.
Like 8 or 9 videos.
We haven't filmed in a long time. We just did our giveaway video, and congratulations again to the winner. Hopefully you guys check that out. We'll have that link below maybe just to let you guys know. And
there you are.
Oh goodness.
Okay, and then the first thing I'm pulling out is Cetaphil's, am I saying that right? Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream for face dry, dehydrated skin. So that's always good.
Oh, there we go. I was like, where is it on here?
And then I have Caudalie, am I saying that right? Caudalie? I always forget how to say it. Venosaur Serum, SOS Thirst Quenching Serum.
Normally $49.
So that is great.
I'm wondering why I don't see that other one.
What is this stick? Let's see. By me,
yeah,
my beauty brand, black liquid eyeliner.
Normally $22.
Yeah, so I like liquid eyeliner, so that's good. This is Beauty Loot, so I don't know if something's inside. Let's see. Is this like a bonus or what is this?
I'm wondering if they're giving you bonuses because I think they only have listed like 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, so far.
Oh, Giorgio Armani, Rouge d'Armani Matte.
Yeah, so that's not on here.
Something else in here. Oh. It says, thank you. We hope you enjoy the special gift. It's totally separate from the regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Oh, that's cute.
As you guys remember, I dropped Allure.
So,
we both dropped something recently. So
I know. It's just weird because with the companies like look fantastic and you know they don't. If we're subscribed, you would think that they would charge us and send us our box right away, and they don't end up charging us at all and don't end up sending the box at all, and we're subscribed to them. So anyway, this is Mud Masky. I think I was saying that right. Leave Me On Winter Mask, pH balanced, protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nourishing, anti-aging,
and it's $45.85.
Is that for the face, I guess? I'm guessing.
And it says promo code enter Allure Winter 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order.
Yeah, her face. Okay. And then I have La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum.
That's what I first saw when I was looking at the first thing you got. That one wasn't in there. This one's normally $39 for full size.
And then this last thing looks like a maybe eyeshadow or highlighter
Ciate
palette maybe or something. It looks like that.
Eyeshadows.
I'll see if I can.
At least I think those are eyeshadows.
See if I can get it open without destroying it too much. Can I? Use the nails.
This person's like, do I love coppers, deep reds, and spicy browns? Yes, I do. Do I already have enough of these colors in my collection of shadows? Also, yes. But this Ciate, if I'm saying that right, London palette, it is worth adding to my stable.
Oh, that's the colors. If you guys can see them, they're really pretty. I like pinks and stuff like that. So, and I dropped the sheet that goes with it, so I'm like, I don't know if it's. But I didn't touch it though, so
keep that one.
So.
Was that it though? Was that for everything?
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, a lot of good items, and you got probably 7 or 8 because I know only 5 are in here and you talked longer than that. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.